Industrial grade. Anti-interference. 40 meters wireless remote control. 32 devices used simultaneously. Open the electrical cabinet of the machine. Insert the DB plug of the receiver into the NPG interface. Tighten the screws of the DB interface. Then fix the receiving box in the electrical cabinet with screws. Installation completed. The remote is equipped with batteries. Axis selection leaves off gear. The power light is on. Select X-axis. Magnification 100x. Shaking the hand wheel can control the movement of the X-axis. There are plus and minus buttons for quick movement. After selecting the axis, hold down the plus button to quickly move forward. Press and hold the negative key to quickly move in the negative direction. After completing the hand wheel operation, turn the axis selection switch to off.